my mother will follow him. And from school, we went to the tennis court, not home, tennis court. So all was about fitness, sports, education, so it was all combined.
Got it, got it. So फिर वहाँ sports and fitness to being an IPS officer, how did that happen?
Because वो fitness जो है ना आपको फिर आलस नहीं देती. It challenges you. It is so much of energy within you that you want to continue to generate energy. In fact, by fitness, you learn to generate energy, not waste energy.
Right.
And I learned to generate it through education, through tennis, and all my activities. So I was every day generating energy, and now I wanted to go to a national generator called the Indian Police Service.
That's amazing. That's amazing. So I recently got to know that it was your birthday on 9th of June, and and I'm sorry for saying your age, but on your 77th birthday, it's please don't mind for calling it out that आप 77 years के हो गए. And आपने कुछ एक नया initiative शुरू किया है, भारत Skill Exchange. So at the age of 77, you are starting new things. What is that motivation? What is inspiration? Because I have heard a lot of people say that कि अब तो उम्र हो गई है, अब तो हम शांति से रहेंगे, अब हमको रिटायर होना है. So many young people in fact tell this that I want to retire early and I'm done and all of this. And at the age of 77, you're starting new things. So tell us more about it.
You see, there was a whole last year was a huge challenge of unemployability and the youth not being skilled. Repeatedly of every platform. It was angering me. It was anguishing me. And I wanted to be a part of a solution because a problem was being stated and I wanted to be a solution. And I asked myself, can I be a solution? And I said, yes, I can. All I did was tap 4 good friends, good loyal friends. I said, अब दोस्ती निभाओ, क्या मेरे साथ स्टार्टअप शुरू करो. क्या स्टार्टअप? भारत स्किल एक्सचेंज. आओ मिलके अपनी अपनी आहुति देते हैं, अपनी अपनी कंट्रीब्यूशन देते हैं और स्टार्टअप बनाते हैं. And Saurabh, it took us only less than 1 year to launch the startup Bharat Skill Exchange. That's to me real dosti. पुरानी दोस्ती बन गई नए काम में, एक ऊर्जा में. So it's generating a lot more skill development in this country.
That's amazing. Just listening to you is inspiring me so much. So I think I have to point this out. One of the things that we talk about in our community is that you need to have that good company. As you said, you have those 4 friends, right? So whenever we talk about habit building, it is so essential to have that company, to have that someone who can do it with you. And we try to be that for a lot of people, but we encourage others also to have it amongst themselves. So, and our community is ranging literally from 3 years, 4 years, 8 years old to 87, 90. I met someone recently who she was 104. So I want to ask you one thing, right? Like if I have to say that एक चीज आप करिए अपने लाइफ में जो आपको across generations help करेगा, तो what would that be for the community?
Morning yoga. Morning yoga.
नहीं ये तो
morning yoga sort of is the foundation of the day. If you get up early, starting your day early and doing your morning yoga where your mind, body, soul is now unified. It is organized. Nothing stops you from then doing the rest. It's a build. You are helping all of us build a foundation. So we're not just on our feet. We are on our feet holistically. Mind,
Right.
body, soul.
ये आप प्लीज बता दीजिए कि मैंने आपको ये बोलने नहीं बोला था. लोग सोचेंगे कि
आप तो सिखाते हो. You are reinforcing it.
Thank you so much. That's really wonderful. Okay, so the last question I would want to ask you is, a lot of people have this thing called as, there is something called as physical fitness and then there is something called as mental fitness. I want to ask you, what are those good habits that you follow for physical fitness and anything that you do especially for mental fitness, or you're generally like this? Like you're generally mentally strong?
Saurabh, I start my day early. And once I start my day early, it is to relax myself, warm up myself. And by the way, along with yoga, Saurabh, I also go swimming.
Okay.
I swim for 1 hour every day, 1 hour swimming. And that is very good combination for my age. It's normalized my whole system. So it's a mind body. Again, it's mental. You cannot swim without your mind and body. So mental, and you know, while swimming, I chant my mantra.
Oh, okay. You do chanting for your mental health. Okay, yes. That's amazing. That's so good. anything else that you would want to tell our community? A lot of people look up to you. तो आपको अगर कोई एक और दो तीन चीज बतानी हो हमारी कम्युनिटी को कि बाकी लोगों को ये भी करना चाहिए. जैसे I genuinely want that they build more and more good habits. So what is it that you would want to tell the community?
सबसे पहले आप वैल्यू, अपने आप को वैल्यूड रखो, अपनी वैल्यू बढ़ाते रहो, आर्थिक तरीके से, मेंटल तरीके से, हैबिट से, नॉलेज से, प्रेजेंस से. कीप yourself continue to be valued. ये जो मैंने भारत स्किल एक्सचेंज किया, it is adding value to me because it's
Right.
engaging me now all over. So the question is, continue to add value to yourself. Inflation नहीं करो, रेज करो अपनी कैपेसिटी, कैपेबिलिटी. सो अगर ये करते रहेंगे, पढ़ने से, लिखने से, काम दूसरों की सेवा करने से, अच्छी बातें करने से, अच्छी सोच से आप अपनी वैल्यू बढ़ाते हो, क्योंकि लोग चाहेंगे आपके पास आना, आपके पास जुड़ना. सो कंटिन्यू टू ऐड वैल्यू वट एवर इट इज विच इज अनसेल्फिश. बिकॉज जितनी सेल्फ केयर करोगे उतना ही दूसरों के काम आते रहोगे, और जितना दूसरों के काम आते रहोगे उतनी आपकी खुद की सेल्फ केयर होती रहेगी.
That's so wonderful that you have just summarized the entire habit philosophy in one sentence. So thank you so much. Just want to update you that yesterday we had around 17 lakh people do yoga with us, and we are continuing and trying to do the entire week of world record. So usually just on yoga day people come, 21 तारीख को लोग आते हैं, एक दिन योगा करते हैं. तो हमने सोचा कि इस बार पूरे हफ्ते भर का वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड करते हैं, और ताकि ज्यादा लोग जुड़ पाए. So that is what we are trying to do, and thank you so much for honoring and coming here with us and with your presence. So really, really grateful. And for everyone who's watching, you have a clear message that please do yoga every day in the morning or any time in the evening also. If you do it, still helpful.
Morning is the best time because by the time it's evening,
No.
the body is stiff. Morning, it's already willing to be cooperative with you.
Right. No, as an instructor, I have to tell people that first become regular and then decide the best time for you. But it is important to be regular. So, yes, of course, morning is a better time because you get more space. शाम को कुछ ना कुछ काम आ जाता है, कभी मेहमान आ जाता है, कुछ हो जाता है. तो morning में regularity बनाना आसान है, but नहीं कर पा रहे हो, शाम को करो तो भी चलेगा. That would be
no, Europe. There is food in the stomach. But in the morning, even your stomach is cooperative because it's empty.
Correct.
So I think the breathing is easier because there's space to breathe more in the stomach. But before I conclude, I want to thank you. You're an IITian and we are fellow IITians.
Thank you.
And I want to thank you for imagining turning IIT into beautiful human development, human machine. You are nurturing all of us, all parts of the body, mind, body and soul.
Thank you. Thank
Perfect
you so much.
IITian. Thank you so much, Saurabh.
Thank you so much, everyone. Yes. So we are